Assalamu alaikum. In our last video, we have showed how to remotely connect MySQL database from command line interface. Today in this video, I will share how to remotely connect MySQL database from Oracle SQL Developer. In this purpose, I need to go to command line at first. Now I will check my database version and my target IP address. See, my target IP address is here and database version also showed here. After that, I will make sure my all of firewall will be disabled. It is very important part. So please check it carefully and make sure all firewall will be disabled. Now I will check my source IP address and database version. Same way, I will check previous way. See, my source IP address as well as database version. Now I need to install a software Microsoft JDBC connector. I need to download it. Here I mentioned the download link. You will download zip file, then unzip it. After that I will open it. See, it is open. Now I need to configure some point. Here I will show the download link. You can download from here. Need to unzip it. And I'll open. See. Now I need to go to add this JDBC connector path. Make a new connection with test database, and this is the way out to final established final connection. See carefully. Username, password. See the test DB. Okay, success. Now again need to provide password and okay. See, this is connected and you can access from data from here. Thank you.